Are you tired of throwing your hard-earned money away each and every month on high rent costs? If so, you may have considered purchasing a home loan, but that might seem like a very daunting task. You may think to yourself that you do not have thousands of dollars lying around in your bank account to put down on a large down payment on a home. What if I were to tell you that you could purchase a home right now with no money down? That's right, you heard me. You can purchase a home with $0 down. A USDA loan allows you to secure a home loan with no money down for the entire term of the loan. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's true. You can do it. I would like to tell you a few things about a USDA loan. What a USDA loan is, the requirements to obtain one, and the process of buying a home loan with one. A USDA loan is part of the Rural Development Guaranteed Housing Loan Program. USDA loans are available to low to moderate income home buyers in certain areas. This type of loan offers low mortgage rates, low monthly mortgage insurance, and again, no down payment. It's amazing. It's a common misconception, especially among first-time home buyers, that you need to have a 3 to 10% down payment when purchasing a home. That is just simply not true when it comes to a USDA loan. Most people do not have the thousands of dollars lying around in a bank account that you would need for a FHA or a conventional loan. This is where knowing how to secure a USDA loan comes in handy. Unlike FHA or conventional loans, you can just finance the entire term of the loan. If you're tired of throwing your hard-earned money away every month on high rent costs, continue listening to me and I will tell you how to obtain and secure a USDA home loan. There are 6 basic requirements that you must meet to be eligible for this loan. You must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. You must have a 640 credit score or higher. But not to worry, if your credit score is not this high, your loan officer can work with you to boost your credit scores very fast to secure this loan. You will also need 2 years of paycheck stubs or 2 years of previous tax returns to show that you have a stable income. You will need to show your willingness to repay the mortgage. On your credit score that your loan officer will pull, they like on average 12 months of no late payments or no collections. Your adjusted household income must be at or equal to or lower to 115% of the median income for the area you are purchasing a home in. Last but not least, the home must be your primary residence. You cannot use this house as a rental income. This may sound like a long list of in-depth requirements, but remember, you're getting to buy a house with no money down. Not everybody gets to do that. The lender just wants to make sure that you can and will repay your mortgage. If you meet all of these requirements, you can purchase an older home, a new construction, a modular, a manufactured home, a townhome, a condo, or even short sales and foreclosures. It's amazing. The process of buying your first home, it can be a very intimidating one. It can take as little as weeks to months, sometimes even years. I hope it doesn't take that long for you. But let me break down the process into a few simple steps. First, you will need to fill out your loan application with your lender, and you will need to provide them with the proper documentation. You will need to give these following documents to your lender: your 2 years of paycheck stubs or tax documents. You will need proof of your citizenship or permanent residency, any of your hard bills or other financial obligations that you may have. After you provide your lender with all of these documentations, they will begin your pre-approval process. Your pre-approval process, it does not mean that you are fully approved. You are just pre-approved, meaning that you can start looking for a house with a realtor. Your loan will then be submitted to an underwriter, and they will begin working on the approval process. At this point, the lender has only briefly looked into your financial situation. The underwriter will take a more in-depth look into your financial situation to make sure that you can afford this loan. But while they are doing that, you can begin looking for a house with a realtor. Once you find a house you like, you write an offer and a contract on it. Once your offer is accepted, then you can do any of the home inspections that you have requested in it. The bank will then do an appraisal on the house. And depending on what your appraisal comes back at, you cannot buy a loan for more than what the bank appraises the house value for it. It's just something that banks do not allow. And after you get all this done and the house is appraised and inspections are all clear, the underwriter will then approve or deny your loan. Once you are approved for the loan, you will then do your final walkthrough on your house, and you will meet with your realtor and go over all the closing documents and sign, and you just bought a house. Amazing, right? Now, you know how easily it is to purchase a house with no down payment. USDA loans, they are a great loan to utilize if you fall within the low to moderate income levels for your area. This loan process is fairly simple and straightforward. The process doesn't vary too much from FHA or conventional loan types. If you do qualify for a USDA loan, I definitely recommend you take advantage of these perks now. Stop renting. Stop paying somebody else's mortgage. Go out and buy your own house. It is simple and you can do it.